YouTube family, what's up? It's your boy Ray Mac. Look, I'm starting this day up early this morning. I got to get up and move around, take my lawnmower to the repair shop. And then when I do finish that, I got to drive to another city in North Carolina called Kittrell. I got to go pick up some bread and mix and stuff like that, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take y'all with me on the journey. I got these shades on because my eyeballs are tired, dog tired. So let's go ahead and start this morning out, and y'all gonna be with me throughout the day. So hopefully you can enjoy this journey. And then again, with all this piling that I got going on, so much piling on my truck, I'm gonna see if I can take this to the car wash, see if they can clean it up for me as well. I don't know why it's gonna get dirty again, but we're gonna see. So come on, let's go. All right, y'all, I just dropped my lawnmower off. I don't know me, but this is the lawnmower planted around. But this is the lawnmower place right here. It's called Ladder Brothers. That's in that building right there, okay? So it's called Ladder Brothers, and they do some great work. And Ladder Brothers is in Hillsborough, North Carolina. You know what I'm saying? And if you guys in the area and you need your, weed eater, lawnmower repaired, or riding lawnmower repaired, power washer, whatever that 2-cycle engine is, take it to Ladder Brothers in Hillsborough. They'll get you right and hook you right on up. And the price point on repairs, man, is just awesome. That's one reason why I deal with them. So right now I'm finna go and see if I could just get this truck sprayed off, get some of this piling off of it. And I know it's gonna kick right back up on it, but I let it sit through the snow and stuff like that and had salt on it, so I just want to go ahead and just clean this baby right on up. So when I get to that point, I'll see if I can make another video and keep you guys going. So come on and chill with me on my day off. All right, don't go nowhere. And then they got a place for you to sit up in this mud. Look here, y'all. And then you come in here, they got a place for you to sit and watch TV. Tell me you don't get that. Look at that. You come right here and get your car washed, sit down, and watch TV. Man, this is chill right here when you come down here, man, in Hillsborough. Drop my lawnmower off, get my truck cleaned up. You know what I'm saying? And to clean my truck, they charge me a reasonable price to clean it. I'm kind of liking this, man. I'm liking this little spot, for real, for real. And look at this waiting room. You can't get comfortable chairs, TV, you know what I'm saying? Boom. All right? I'm going to let y'all speak to the people too, for real. Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all something. I like to have one of these out here in my yard, y'all. Look at here, I'm trying to be honest. Thing got some sliding doors right here, man. I swear, nice. And hanging the TV up. I mean, I'm sitting here in this daggone chair, chilling. You know what I'm saying? Man, if I had one of these in the backyard, man, good night. I don't even think I'd go in the house. I'd be just chilling, bro. I like this, y'all. And this the car wash for me, y'all. I might just go get my Challenger and bring it out here and let them clean that up. You know what I'm talking about? Shoot. My baby clean. Boy, she clean. Boy, she clean. She clean, boy. She clean. My baby clean. My baby clean. Boy, they did good. My baby clean. My baby clean. Good God, she clean. Bruh. Boy, she clean. She clean. She clean. She clean. Y'all bad.
Thank you.
Y'all bad. Y'all bad. I swear to God. Look at there. Man, these people ain't playing, man.
Thank you so much.
These people are not playing, boy. Look. Undercarriage. Undercarriage. Man, these people are not playing. Hey, what's the name of y'all's? What's the name of this here, man? You got a card or something?
Yeah.
Man, I'm a rep y'all, bruh. Look, come check these people out, man. They're in Hillsborough. I'm telling you right now. They got the best car wash in the... Look, check these out. Best car wash, man. I'm telling you right now. Best car wash right here. Check them out, y'all. Look here. That's the phone number.
Yeah.
Give them a call. And I'm talking about for the money, y'all. Look, this a big truck. They cleaning undercarriages and man, I'm trying to tell you, you can't get it no better than this. Look at the wheels. Boy, I'm loving this. These people cleaning. I got to come back. All right, y'all, I got to go. All right, y'all, my truck is clean. I'm feeling good right now because I got a clean truck. This more, ooh, phone shaky, y'all. I got to, whoop. Like I said, my truck clean, and I'm feeling good because it ain't looking all dirty no more. When I tell you these people did a good dang job to this truck, man, they did a heck of a job to this truck. Hey, I'm putting their information out here, y'all, with their phone number, their address, and if you guys living in Durham, Hillsborough, I don't care, Chapel Hill, whatever the case may be, man, you want to get your car cleaned up real good, you need to come on down here and check out these people, man. Because I wish I would have got the inside clean now, because I didn't know that they could do good work like this. If they how my outside look, I know that if they would have cleaned the inside, man, this one would have been blinging. So I'm gonna definitely, man, be dealing with these people from now on. So I'm gonna come back with my Challenger, and I'm gonna get my Challenger cleaned up real good, y'all. She ain't had a good cleaning in a minute. So I'm gonna see what they can do with that as well. So I'm finna get on up, take my little trip down here to Kittrell, North Carolina, so I can go pick up some products for my food trailer, and I'm gonna keep y'all informed. You're chilling with Ray Mack. This is a day with Ray. All right, y'all. So this is the meal. It's an actual meal, and they basically make everything, man, from raw material. You know what I'm saying? Actual meal, as you can see here. So I had to go and pay for the items up at the little home office trailer. You see they got the big truck dumping meals. And that's the little old meal right there. That's the old meal. This is all country right here, y'all. This is that mouse I be using. say I go up here and show them a ticket. All right, I'm gonna be right back because I don't know how these people with the camera, so I'm gonna be right back. Well, y'all look what I ran into right here. This is right down the street from that place, Soul Food, boy. Cook God Almighty. String bean.
I normally get macaroni with the snack.
They got macaroni cheese.
No, she did.
Look at that corn pudding.
Corn
It look like corn pudding. Stewed potatoes, fried okra, and then going collard greens looking good. Oh, look at them pork chops. Boy, them whole cake. Hey, them whole cake. Them whole cakes. God, boy, they got whole cakes in this mug, boy. They got pig's feet. Look at the turkey wing. God damn, dog.
Macaroni and cheese, can we get that?
They got fish, pork chop, fried chicken, baked whole chicken, some ribs. What they got? Oxtails. Lord, let me give me something to eat. Let me get something to eat. Yo. Hey, these people ain't playing in here, boy. These people ain't playing in this daggone place. Bro, you eat here all the time? Yeah? It's good, though? God, so mighty, boy.
What are you thinking about?
Man, I got so many damn choices, dog. There's so many choices, bro. Them more freak me out with the whole cakes. Don't nobody sell no whole cakes. Yeah. Talking about in that pan. Yeah. Ma'am, how you doing, man? How you sell your plates? Well, this what I'm gonna do, cause I ain't gonna be worried about no prices. This fish right here, let me get a plate with some Good God, boy. All right. You know what? Yeah, give me a piece of fish. Two come with the plate. All right, let me get Look, I'm gonna pay extra. This is what I want. I'm gonna pay extra, whatever you charge me. Let me get one piece of fish. And can you toss me one of them smothered turkey wings in it? I'll pay extra, whatever it is.
In the same plate?
Yeah, in the same plate is fine. It's going to one place. Yeah, Lord. And can I get some of these collard greens? Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. And I'm gonna try some of them string beans as well. Yes, ma'am.
You know I want to do the greens.
Good gee. I'm gonna be sicker than a dog.
Can I get a piece of that cornbread too?
Yeah, cornbread. What's the other side? Side green.
Let's do these potatoes.
Man, can I get that one right there on top? That cornbread right there on top.
Yeah, that's cornbread. What cornbread?
Yes, Lord, she calling me. Thank you so much. But look here. Let me show y'all what I got. I got me some cornbread. Don't y'all mind my nails, because I'm a working man. That's that cornbread right there. Y'all don't know nothing about that hoe cake. That's that southern eating right there. That's that country eating, that hoe cake. So, look what I ended up getting, y'all. I got them collard greens, them string beans, that smothered turkey wing. Then I had to end up getting that fried fish too. Lord, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I'm about to tear this thing up. Had to give me some of that Texas Pete. Y'all know I love that Texas Pete. Texas Pete, everything. Let's go. That you go eat your cornbread. You go eat your cornbread. You daggone right, I'm eating my cornbread. Look at that. Let me taste that cornbread. Good God Almighty. I'm gonna go in there and get me a couple people them. Take them to the crib. Cornbread good as a mug. Cornbread good as hell. Dang, boy, that cornbread good. You taste these greens. You taste these greens. See what these greens tasting like. Oh my damn. Oh. I'm gonna have to get me a plate to go. String beans off the hook. Alright, y'all. Look, I'm finna go and smash this. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. So I gotta hurry up and get back to Durham. Jesus, I done found me a place. Yes, sir. Go ahead. That's the man right there, his crew. I'm telling you, man, beautiful people, man. Man, they do it good, boy. They do it good, man. Look at that inside. I'm telling you, bro. Yeah. You do it good, man. Clean, dog. I'm not going nowhere else. I'm not going nowhere else. This is where y'all need to come right here. This is where y'all need to come. Bring your cars. They clean it up good. They clean it up real good, man. They don't leave no spots on there for real. And she ready to. She is ready.
Head south towards South Jordan Street, Old North Carolina.